Give me that sunshine, sunshine. Give me them good times, good times. Nothing but good.
Okay, please all welcome the proud parents, Mommy Nika and Daddy Joe, together with our birthday celebrant, Janaya.
Every day is a new beginning. Every day is a gift to hold up high.
So ngayon, this is it, Janaya's first birthday. So happiest birthday to my daughter Janaya Dominic Tagayon San Jose. At sana lumaki kang smart, lumaki kang mabait at pinapangako ko na magiging masaya tayo buong pamilya habang buhay.
Come out. Give me that sunshine, sunshine. Give me them good times, good times. Nothing.
So, gusto ko lang naman yung mabait at lagi yung sumusunod sa amin, yung dad mo. Saka maging masaya tayo lagi.
I will scream from the highest mountain. I will love like
Happy birthday, Janaya! From Lola Emmy. From Lola One. Lola Eva.
believe in the hope that conquers hate. Don't worry.
Hi, Janaya! Baby Janaya, we love you. Happy birthday and enjoy this day. Pinrepare namin lahat ang mga gifts for you, especially for you, Baby Janaya. Heart, heart.
Good times. Nothing but good vibes, good vibes. Give me
Happy birthday, Janaya! Sana lumaki ka na masunurin sa iyong mga magulang. Sana madami pa ang matanggap mong ampaw, pera, lahat na ng blessings mula sa may kapal at sa mga ninong at ninang mo. Kahit hindi mo ninong at ninang, sana matanggap mo lahat ng kayamanan nila. Hindi, charot or daharot. Anyway, wishing you all the best. Sana dumami pa ang blessings na matanggap mo at naway pagpalain ka ni Lord ng mahabang buhay.
Sana maging mabait yung bata, masunod sa magulang, at mag-aaral na mabuti. Yun lang.
give me that sunshine, sunshine. Give me them good times, good times. Nothing but good vibes, good vibes. Give me that sunshine, sunshine. Bring on the summertime.
Hi, Janaya! Happy first birthday! Well, siguro iintindihan mo tong message ko. Napakatagal na panahon pa, no? Pero just in case man mapanood mo to in the future, I just wanted to say na be a good girl and be a God-fearing person. Kasi yun yung number one. Ang gusto ko lang lumaki ka na kilala yung Panginoon at kilala yung Diyos natin. Kasi you will never go wrong in life pagka kilala mo si God. And to your parents, Jao and Danica, ang wish ko lang is to be a good parent. Hindi yung parent na magulang kay Janaya, no? Yung literal, yung sanang as in parent na parent. Hindi parent na magulang na slang word natin, no? So, lagi nyo siyang mamahalin. Iisipin nyo yung kapakanan ni Janaya, number one, more than sa kapakanan ninyo bilang isang tao. We love you, Janaya.
Give me them good times, good times. Nothing but good vibes, good vibes. Give me that sunshine, sunshine. Bring on the summertime. Bring on the summertime.
Happy birthday, Janaya! We love you!
Summertime. Bring on the summertime.